Next little challenge for today. Someone wants this pipe from Silica. Look, it's so rusty and shit, so we're gonna spice it up a little. First, scrape off all the big rust. I'm not gonna bore you how to scrape off rust. Okay, so once you've scraped all the main shit off, actually I could do a bit of more scraping here, but we'll see how it comes off. Here you get your trusty sander, and obviously just sand all the shit off. Yeah, don't be stingy. 80 grade will do. Like that. 80 there. Okay, after quick sand down, looking already much better. So just wipe it with some white spiritus. Don't give a shit that this is quite dirty cloth, you know. But just literally to degrease it as much as possible. I don't give a fuck too much about it because I'm selling it. It's not for me, but I'm doing this guy a big favor anyway, because most people don't clean the parts. Never mind painting them. So I'm a good seller, listener. I'm a very good seller, Graham. You fucking cunt.
The Trading Standards can help support and advise your business.
Are you having a fucking laugh?
We are part of the regulatory partnership BASP, which shares expert knowledge across trading standards.
They're just paid to ruin your business, steal your money with no consequence or remorse. This kind of fake advertising should be reported to the real Trading Standards. Remember when I said I'd kill you last? Yes, you did. I lied.
Any trading fair standards or whatever they're fucking called. Wanna bring it, bring it. I'm a good fucking seller. Suck on this.
Bro, you know this a public place?
You need to shake the can good and proper, especially in these cold weather conditions.
Bro, you know this a public place?
Excuse me?
You know this a public place?
Yes.
And you jacking your dick, watching porn right next to me?
Already looking much better. In it, lads. Really need to sort this garage out. But with all this shit in my life, I don't have time for anything. That's alright, we'll get there. We'll have a nice garage to show you soon.
In the meantime, we were sending loads of bombs, grenades, and mines from Russia.
Down here, man, in Kurasuka, Akapika, think about it, they can show this is how we make in your mom I wanna be, but not what it camera is this.
I don't care, I'm the best, no attention to the rest, spitting truth with every verse, to the beat I'll chill and dance.